Hello and welcome to our channel.
We are Anna and Ben.
We help you learn easy English for beginners.
We speak slowly and clearly so you can understand.
On this channel, we have simple English conversations.
We talk about daily life, travel, shopping, and useful situations.
This is perfect for non-native speakers.
You can listen, repeat, and learn with us.
Our videos are for A1 and A2 level learners.
That means beginner and elementary English.
We use simple words and short sentences.
This makes learning English easier and more fun.
Now let us start with easy small talk.
Small talk is useful in everyday life.
Hi Ben, how are you today?
Hi Anna. I am good, thank you. And you?
I am great. Thank you for asking.
That is nice to hear.
Where are you from, Ben?
I am from London, England. What about you?
I am from Berlin, Germany.
That is great. Berlin is a very interesting city.
Yes, it is. There is always something to do there.
What do you do, Anna?
I help people learn English. It is my job.
That is a great job. I like helping people too.
Thank you. And what do you do?
I also help people practice easy English.
Perfect. Then we are a good team.
Yes, we are. We work well together.
What do you like to do in your free time?
I like music, films, and travel. What about you?
I like films too. I also like reading books.
What kind of films do you like?
I like funny films and simple stories.
I like adventure films and science fiction.
That is nice. Do you like reading too?
Yes, I do. I like short books in the evening.
That sounds relaxing. I read before I go to sleep.
What do you like to do on the weekend?
On the weekend, I like to meet friends and go for a walk.
That sounds lovely. I like walking in the park.
Do you like coffee shops?
Yes, I do. I like quiet coffee shops with good coffee.
Me too. They are great for talking and relaxing.
Small talk can start in places like that.
Yes. You can say hello, how are you, or where are you from?
And you can ask, what do you do, or what do you like?
These are simple questions but very useful.
They help you start a friendly conversation.
Let us practice some more small talk questions.
Good idea. What is your favorite food?
I like Italian food. Pizza and pasta are my favorites.
I like Chinese food. It is very tasty.
Do you like sports?
Yes, I like football and tennis. Do you play sports?
I like swimming. It is good exercise.
What is your favorite season?
I like spring. The weather is nice and flowers are beautiful.
I like autumn. The colors are beautiful and it is not too hot.
Do you have any pets?
No, I do not have pets, but I like dogs.
I have a cat. Her name is Luna.
That is a nice name. Cats are good company.
Now let us review what we learned today.
Today we introduced Anna and Ben and our channel.
We practiced easy small talk with many questions.
You heard useful questions about work, hobbies, food, and more.
You can listen again and repeat after us.
That is a great way to practice English pronunciation.
Try to use these questions in real life.
Start with simple questions like, how are you? Or where are you from?
Remember, practice makes perfect.
Thank you for watching our first video.
Write in the comments what you want to learn next.
Tell us what topics you want for future videos.
Follow Anna and Ben for more easy English lessons.
Learn English with Anna and Ben.
See you in the next video. Goodbye.
Goodbye and happy learning.